Welcome back to my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and today I have this paper shredder. One of my neighbors threw it away with a bin and everything in the office building, and I always feel bad because it looks pretty new, honestly. And so let's see. It's on right now. There's a switch on the side. Okay, so nothing happened, no sign of life. So I'm checking for power. There is power going to the shredder, but there is no sign of life. So I did remove the screws just to make it fast. Okay, let me flip it over. There is power now, you know. Okay, the lid came off. The screws already removed, and I can see here, you know, technically that's the wire going to the control board. No power. No matter what I do with the switch, no power. So it's a very simple fix. My switch is bad right there. I will just get a micro switch. A switch is like only $2-3, and that's it. I could bypass it, but I won't do that. So I'm getting a switch replaced, and then I'm gonna have my shredder working. Okay. That's it. So the problem is this switch. I'm replacing the switch at this one. It's only like a couple of dollars. I mean, I think actually 5 of them for like $6-7 on Amazon or eBay. So this actually snaps in place, and that's it. Then I'm gonna put a little glue to make the contact loose, but that's it. That'll be my repair, and I'm gonna put the machine back together and test it.